Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be testing the Roomba J7, doing its first run and initial mapping run. Stay tuned. Alright, to start off I put some rice down on the hardwood floor here, and then as the unit continues to map I did put some obstacles down in the living room. Alright, let's get this test started. If there's something you want to see, please put it in the comments down below. Alright, for its second obstacle run, I put down 2 charging cables. As you can see, the one on the right has been eaten a couple times by other robot vacuums. So I'm going to see how well it does. I put some rice and stuff around the cords to see how close it gets to them. One thing I did also want to mention is that I did spread around some rice in some of the other areas of the living room. I really do like the light on the front of the robot. I think it gives it some character. Alright guys, so the J7 Plus just finished its vacuuming of the living room where it had most of the obstacles set up. So as you can see in the video, it did really well when noticing these cords on the ground. It actually stopped way before it even got near the pile of rice and dog food. So personally, I think over time it'll probably get a little bit better and be able to get a little bit closer once it starts recognizing these objects and it starts building its memory up of certain obstacles on the floor. Personally, I think the J7 is quite the flagship robot for my robot. I think iRobot nailed it again with this. It's still kind of early, I still have more testing to do, but from what I'm seeing right now, I think it's pretty solid. Alright, so once the robot finishes cleaning, it'll actually let you go into the job history, and it'll actually show you the obstacles it's seen on the floors. For this specific test, it did not have any obstacles in there because it was still mapping, but this is another run that I did later on in the day, and you can actually review these and send them to iRobot for review. Once you send them to iRobot, they'll be reviewed individually, and they'll add them to the database so the J7 becomes smarter over time. It did really well picking up debris on our kitchen, all around the living room that weren't around these cords. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm willing to put this to the test as much as possible, so if there's something you specifically want to see, make sure you leave a comment down below. I appreciate all your support. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do this, so thank you very much for all your support. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.